Since 1981, Johnson Manufacturing has built quality farm implements for the agricultural industry. Today, that tradition continues with the HyGrade Grader, built rugged to do the tough jobs you need them to do. The HyGrade Grader is operator-friendly with 3 hydraulic valve controls from the tractor seat. It comes in the 1200, 1400, and 1600 featuring 12-foot, 14-foot, and 16-foot blades respectively. The rear steer models, the 1200 RS, the 1400 RS, and the 1600 RS with the 12, 14, and 16-foot blades, plus 4 hydraulic valve controls, again from the tractor seat. And now 800 and 1000 models, perfect for those smaller jobs requiring an 8 or 10-foot blade. The cutting edges are made of replaceable high-carbon steel. And the HyGrade Grader comes standard with a weight box and box scraper ends. High mold boards allow for maximum dirt transfer. And the HyGrade Grader has excellent blade-to-ground clearance of 21 inches on the 1200, 1400, and 1600 models, and up to 26-inch clearance on the 3 rear steer models. But what makes the HyGrade Grader truly unique is the blade action itself. The blade angles up to 45 degrees to the right or to the left. and the blade will tilt up to 15 degrees to the right or to the left to help with those always tough slope cuts and ditches. Better yet, the hydraulic rear steer feature allows the operator to move the blade 4 to 5 feet more to the right or left, doing it from the comfort of the tractor seat. That gets you closer along fences, bunk lines, trees, and buildings without having to drive the tractor so close to the objects you're working near. Clean out irrigation and drainage ditches while keeping the tractor on higher ground, and avoid having to get so close to road banks where trouble always looms. But sometimes bigger isn't always better, so Johnson Manufacturing has expanded the HyGrade line, designing something for smaller areas at almost half the cost. The HyGrade 800 and 1000 models may be the perfect solution. Use it for landscaping, filling, and leveling in more refined areas. Groom narrow alleyways in ATV trails. Or put it to work on your hobby farm, where shorter drives are much more common. These units can be pulled by tractors ranging from 25 to 100 horsepower because they are lighter but still heavy duty. The weight box is built into the construction of the axle, and both units weigh in at nearly 1,900 pounds. The blade angle moves right or left, up to 40 degrees using just one hydraulic cylinder. The blade tilts right or left up to 15 degrees for those tough slopes and ditches. The blade height of 17 inches still allows for plenty of dirt transfer. And with blade to ground clearance of 15 inches, the HyGrade 800 and 1000 models move easily without hassles. Need to set the box scraper ends in place? Just like the rest of the HyGrade line, you can do it in seconds. All three hydraulic functions operate from one remote lever, controlling tilt, lift, and blade angle. Choose from the 3-button joystick control that clamps to your remote lever, or the 3-switch control box that mounts within an easy reach of the operator. Tough jobs need tough equipment. The HyGrade Grader is what you need to do the job right. Johnson Manufacturing takes pride in its work, and it shows. Skilled craftsmanship, well thought out designs, close attention to detail, and an eye on improving products for the agricultural industry. That's what separates Johnson Manufacturing from everyone else. For more information on the HyGrade Graders and other products by Johnson Manufacturing, call us toll-free at 800-874-5600 or visit our website at johnsonmfg-hygrade.com.